An Introduction to Findit.
This film is part of the research puzzle series produced by the academic librarians at USW. Each one breaks down a different part of the research process to help you put the pieces together. If you'd like to explore more parts of the research puzzle, check out the other films in the series. And if you need any help, just get in touch. We're here to support you.
What is Findit? This video is a basic introduction to Findit. Other videos in this series will show you how to search Findit effectively. Findit is your search engine for everything in USW libraries. It allows you to search across all of our full-text resources, including print books, ebooks and journal articles. You will find the link on the library website. Or by typing USW Findit into any browser. Signing in. When you open Findit, make sure you sign in with your student or staff ID and password. If you haven't created a password yet, go to USW IT webpage for help on how to do this. Once logged in, you'll see your name at the top right corner where you'll have access to your account. This means you are ready to start searching. Let's start with an overview of the home page. At the top you will find links to start a new search. Find specialist subject databases or find specialist academic journals. You will also see a link to the British Library Request Service. Use this service to request books or articles that are not available in our collections. There is a link to our support guides, and if you click on the three dots, this allows you to see our specialist collections page. Explore our Welsh art collection, our graphic novels, photography or aviation collections and much more. There is also a link to the module reading lists. If you click on your name, this will show you your account details, check what books you have on loan, the status of any requests, your search history and access to anything you have added to your saved items. In the Getting Help box you will find links to your specialist subject guides, our Getting Started guide, library opening hours and the Book an Appointment with your librarian link. We also highlight any new databases we have recently added to our collection. On the side panel you can access our chatbot, Lola. If you have any questions about Findit or the library, just ask Lola. You are now ready to start searching. Begin by clicking on the magnifying glass icon. Then select if you want to search everything or just our libraries. This is our print and ebook collection. Or choose journal articles or just ebooks. Or you may be interested in searching our research repository. Once you have decided where you want to search, start by typing in keywords, a title or author in the search box and then click enter. You will then see your results. For more detailed information on searching Findit effectively, please watch the other films in this series. I hope you found this film useful. To find out more about solving the research puzzle, please watch the other films in this series, and if you need any help, get in touch with your academic librarian. Thanks for watching.